Hi guys! Good day everyone! It's Mommy Lori here and this is my son, Maximus. Welcome to my channel. And today guys, magluluto tayo. Samahan niyo ako, magluto tayo ng pansit lomi. Guys, kailangan lang nating magpainit ng mantika, kawali. And then ilalagay na natin yung garlic.
Mommy, go up. Mommy, go up, Mommy.
And then, add na natin yung onion. Get your stool. Get your stool. Nandito yung anak ko guys. Assistant ko lagi pag nagluluto ako.
Mommy, go up.
Yeah, you can. Now we put our leftover chicken from last night's dinner.
Leftover chicken.
Yes.
Leftover chicken.
So this is the 8 cups of water. Ayan guys, cover lang natin yung pot, let it simmer, and balikan natin pagka kumulo na siya mamaya. So ayan guys, kumukulo na yung ating soup. Ngayon titimplahan ko na siya ng konting patis. Mga 2 tablespoon lang po.
Mommy, nagwawas it.
Yeah, and then ilalagay na po natin yung ating lomi noodles na ating blanch ng 1 minute sa boiling water. So, takpan ulit natin siya guys at lutuin natin ng mga 3 to 5 minutes. Lalagay na natin guys yung carrots. Tapos yung cabbage. Takpan ulit natin. Let it simmer for another 2 minutes, then balikan natin siya mamaya. Season with pepper and salt.
Hello. I'm here.
And then, so, tutunawin natin yung cornstarch in 1/4 cup of cold water. Then, halo na natin siya, guys.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello. Ayan.
What's the whisk cover?
Yes, malapit nang maluto ang
What's the
ating
whisk cover?
soup.
Green and orange.
You see the carrots? And
Orange
chicken.
carrot. Orange carrot.
Beat natin yung egg, 2 eggs. Ayan guys, malapot na yung ating soup. So, we're gonna add our 2 eggs. slowly. Ayan guys. Looks very yummy. Luto na ang ating pansit lomi. Lasahan ko ulit bago ko siya mahusgahan. Dagdagan natin ng pepper at konti pang salt. Yan. Ayan guys, luto na po ang ating chicken pancit lomi. Ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng boiled egg, chicharon, and green onion for toppings. Kain na tayo guys! Try nyo po sa mga bahay ninyo at let me know how it goes. At pwede rin nyo pong gamitin ang pork or seafoods at kikiam or fish balls. So tara guys! Samahan nyo ako. Kain na tayo! So hanggang dito na lang guys ang ating video for today. And I hope you like this video and we'll see you again next time. Thank you and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Take care everyone. Bye! See you again next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Mommy Lori. And visit also my son's channel at Maximus Playhouse. Thank you!